Hi, welcome to everyone. In this video, I'll be sharing 5 incredibly useful Excel tips that will not only save your time and make your life easier. Let's check them out. Now you can see, when I type any cell data, it's automatically coming borders. So how is possible? To add borders to specific rows and columns in Excel, start by selecting the rows and columns you want to apply borders to. Once your selection is made, click this Conditional Formatting. Then select New Rule. Then click this User Formula. After that, click the first cell. Then press F4 key in keyboard 3 times. Make sure $sign gone from this formula. On keyboard, press less than symbol and greater than symbol. Then press double quotation marks 2 times. Then click Format. After that, click this outline. Then click OK. The selected range of cells will now have conditional formatting with the specified border style based on your condition. First, select the column that contains the text you want to split. Then go to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon. In the Data Tools group, click on Text to Columns. In the Text to Columns that opens, choose whether your data is delimited, separated by a character, like a comma or space, or fixed width. Select the appropriate option and click Next. Choose the data format for the destination columns, and select where you want the split data to appear, then click Finish. Excel will split the text into separate columns based on your settings. First, open your Excel workbook. Click on the File tab in the ribbon to open the Backstage view. Select Info on the left sidebar. Click on Protect Workbook. Choose Encrypt with Password. Encrypt Document dialog box will appear. Enter your desired password and click OK. Re-enter the password to confirm it. Save the workbook. Now your Excel workbook is protected with a password. You will need to enter the password to open the workbook in the future. Open the Excel workbook you want to work with. Press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor. Select the which sheet you want to edit. Then select Worksheet. You can use the following VBA code to AutoFit all columns and rows. Type cells dot entire column dot AutoFit. Then type cells dot entire row dot AutoFit. Then close this window. Now, your selected columns or rows will automatically adjust to fit the content in the active worksheet. For first name and last name to full name, in an empty column, start typing the full names using a space to separate first and last names. Then select the rows or column, then press Ctrl plus E. For full name to first name and last name, enter the first name manually. Then enter the second name manually. Then select the rows or column, then press Ctrl plus E. If you like this video, please subscribe and share to others, they can benefit it. Thank you. Bye.